Hello everyone! Today I am unboxing this Kaws toy. It's part of the Kaws holiday collection, and I bought it in a website in Korea. So this is the first time that I'm going to open this. It's quite interesting because it's a different kind of toy. The Kaws holiday toy. It's like a floater. You let it float in the pool or in a tub. See, Neo? Look at this. Oh, isn't this cool, right?
But don't put it when their guests
Yeah.
are here.
There you go. The Kaws Holiday
It's rubber.
Korean edition. Put it in your pool and it will float. Or in the pond. Or in your bathtub, Neo. You can put this, it will float. Or put it above a snow. Diba? Parang looks like a snow angel if you put it on the snow. There you go. This is all sold out. It's very difficult to get. I think you can already buy this in eBay for a much more expensive price.
Yeah.
There you go.
So here's the Kaws floating person thing that my dad bought in Korea. It's very difficult to buy it. So now you're gonna see it in action.
Okay. What? Ano ba naman binato?
Yo.
Ooh, nice. So it really does float. There you go.
Not a scam, totally.
It's not a scam, it's
Yeah.
true. So it's
Unless
quite
we edited
interesting.
this. JK, we didn't
Pretty
edit
cute.
this. We did not edit this. Okay, I
Ah.
don't know how to edit.
So Neo's gonna attempt to sink the Kaws toy underwater. Let's see if it floats. If it really, ooh, it's still floating.
It's stuck in there!
Still floating, man.
Stop!
It's still there.
It's gonna haunt you.
Yeah. There's the Kaws toy.